Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. So, welcome back. Welcome to day 4 of 12 days of tutorials. Yay! I'm so excited. But yeah, for today's video, I'm going to be using the newest palette, not newest, but sort of new. It's the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions Matte Eyeshadow Palette. This is the third palette that he's come out with, and I bought it when it came out and I haven't used it, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. And because it's an all matte palette and the eye look is going to be simple, I am going to pair it with a bold lip. So depends on the I guess the look that I come up with, but I'm kind of leaning more warm tone or neutral, I want to say, because the lippy that I want to use is this Makeup by Mario matte lipstick in the shade Nikki, and it's this beautiful like terracotta orange. It's beautiful and I love it so much. So that's what I want to use today. So without further ado, if you're interested to see what look I come up with, then just please keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. So like I said, I'm going to be using the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions 3 palette. This is the all matte palette, which looks like this right here. I'm pretty sure you've seen it before, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks so pretty. I know it's all neutrals, but it's just so pretty. But yeah, this is the palette that I want to use. I have his holiday palette right here, that I was thinking maybe I can use one of the shimmers or the glittery toppers, but I just want to keep it simple and then have a bold lip. So that's what I'm going to be aiming for. So before we jump into the eyeshadow palette, I just want to let you know that I've done my eyebrows with nothing new. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony to outline my eyebrows. Then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Duo Powder in the shade Ebony to fill them in. And then to carve the eyebrow, the bottom of the eyebrow, and prime the lids, I use MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. So this is all I have so far. So alrighty, so now I'm going to jump into the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use my Jumbo eyeshadow shader brush, and I'm going to go into this stark white shade right here. And I'm going to, I'm sorry if I'm looking this way, my mirror is this way, but it's very pigmented. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's very pigmented, and I'm going to apply this to the brow bone right here. Then I'm going to turn over the brush and I'm going to go into this other shade right here. It's not as stark white, so I'm just going to use that shade to apply it all over the lid just to help blend. That white is bomb. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go into what's it called, a blending brush, and I think I'm going to go into the shade into this shade right here. They don't, do they have any names? Into Classic. So I'm just going to apply that to the crease. I want to see if it does anything. Oh, and it does. It's a nice crease color. I would say this is like my color complexion. Alright, so I really like this color. Now I think I'm gonna go into the shade. I'm just gonna use the shade Over, which is this one right here, and I'm just gonna apply it right in the crease. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go into a smaller like shader brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade, what's the shade called? Can't see it, so Essential, which is this shade right here, this light brown. I kind of want to even it out. I don't want it to be that warm. And I'm going to apply that shade to this outer part of the lid. That's a pretty shade. But I do want to darken it up just a tad bit. So I'm going to go into the shade right next to it, which is Fundamental. So I'm going to go into this brown right here. And with the same brush, I'm just going to apply it in the outer part of the crease. Not the crease, the lid. And I'm just stamping it at first because I am going to go in and blend. Now I'm going to go back in with a little bit of this shade right here, this light brown. And I'm just going to blend that dark brown. I'm going to go in with my blending brush and just blend everything out. Alrighty, so I like how this is looking. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the shade, the lightest shade, not the white one, but this one. And I'm just going to apply that to the inner part of the eyelid, just to bring some lightness. And I love this Cinch Beauty E.L.F. brush. It's amazing to pick up eyeshadow. Alrighty, so now I'm going to use the shader brush that we use in the outer corner, and I'm just going to blend into that shade. So there's a nice seamless blend. Alrighty, so it should look something like this. So as you can see, very, very simple. So now I'm going to jump off camera. I'm going to do liner, lashes, do the face, and apply the lip and show you how this, classic simple eye, you can bring it up a notch by wearing, a bold lip. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So stay tuned. Alrighty, amigas, so this is the final look using the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions 3 palette. As you can see, this is an all matte eyeshadow palette, and I decided to pair it with this beautiful like orange terracotta color, but of course you can choose whatever color you would like. This with a red lip would be fantastic, and it's appropriate for the holidays. So yeah, I'm just here to give you some inspo. Today's look was a little bit simple, but don't you worry, we still have more different looks, different techniques, more bold looks coming. So if you watched my previous videos, thank you. It means so much to me. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.